fall. The leaves fall from the tree. The mangoes fall from the tree. The stick fall from the tree. Far, far. The seashore is far from here. The main road is far from here. The church is far from here. Full, full. The sky is full of stars. The basket is full of flowers. The glass is full of water. Hold, hold. Hold the suitcase for a while. Hold the doll for some time. Hold the mobile for a few minutes. Got, got. I have got a new camera. My sister has got a new frog. My brother has got a new bicycle. Grow, grow. I grow tomatoes. We grow flowers. They grow pineapples. Hot, hot. The sun is hot. The pan is hot. The iron box is hot. Hurt, hurt. Ram hurt his knee. The Arun hurt his feet. Mala hurt her hand. If you water the plant, it will grow. If it is dark, switch on the light. If you drop the mirror, it will break. Keep, keep. Keep the house clean. Keep the purse safe. Keep the cup and saucer here. Thank you.